What's up guys, Rand Razor here with another tech video to share with you guys today, and today we are going to check out Mujjo's full leather case for the brand new iPhone 15, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. Let's check them out. With the release of the iPhone 15, Apple would obviously release updated cases for the new iPhone. However, this year, for the very first time since the iPhone 5, Apple no longer offers a full leather case for the iPhone and replaced it with a very questionable, chintzy, cheap-looking case known as the woven case. So with the premium Apple leather case no longer available for the iPhone, is there a third party out there that can match the same quality and look of the Apple leather case? And there sure is, and that is the Mujjo full leather case. Now, I've been reviewing Mujjo's cases since the iPhone 5, just as long as the Apple leather case, and the number one case I've always compared the Apple leather case to has been Mujjo. And today we're going to check out their full leather case as well as their full leather wallet case in two different colors. So first off, the Mujjo leather cases come in this really nice premium black packaging. To open them up, it's very simple. Just slide them out like so. And the first and only thing that we get here is the case itself. And that is pretty much it. So here's a closer look at both cases. This one here is the full leather wallet case, obviously from the card slot that is built into this case. This is a brand new color introduced from Mujjo called Burgundy. And here is the standard leather case in a traditional black. Like Apple's own cases, Mujjo's leather case are made of full grain vegetable tan leather. It wraps the entire back, sides, and overlaps the top bezel and into the sides of the case. And taking a look at the interior part of the case here, just like Apple's, once again, we do have a very nice microfiber lined material to protect the back of the case and your phone. And as you can probably already tell from the circular engravement here, we do have MagSafe built into these cases, so you can take advantage of MagSafe accessories. And here's a quick look at the wallet version here, which looks like it works with that as well. Although it's not as strong due to this extra leather material, but I don't see a problem if you have like a MagSafe stand or something. It's just the weight of the battery is a little bit much for the magnetic hold. So the wallet edition does somewhat work, just a quick notice there, at least with this MagSafe charger here, but the full leather version works without any issues. Alright, so let's slap the iPhone 15 in. We'll start off with this new burgundy color here and see how it looks with my space gray iPhone. Alright, so here's what the iPhone looks like with the burgundy colored case, and I gotta say, it looks pretty nice. I've never had a burgundy color case on my phone before, ever, but it looks pretty sharp. It blends in pretty well with a black iPhone as well because of the darker shade of burgundy that Mujjo uses here. But here's what this color looks like, and I gotta say, I do like it. Alright, let's take a quick overview of this case. Starting off at the front here, we do have the leather material wrapping around the entire bezeled border of the iPhone and lips just above the glass display. I do have a glass screen protector on here as well, and of course the case doesn't interfere with that at all. Moving towards the sides, just like Apple's former leather case, we do have built-in metal buttons that match the same color as the leather for the power button, as well as the volume rockers and the smart button. These metal button covers feel like actual buttons, very easy to press, and you get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them. On the bottom of the case here, we do have 3 individual cutouts for the stereo speakers, mic, and USB-C port. And lastly, on the back side of the case here, the vegetable tan full grain leather does wrap around the entire back portion of the phone, in addition to the wallet portion here as well. That is beautifully stitched all the way around. You got the Mujjo logo engraved on the bottom, and a precision cutout for the camera lens module, which you can see no issues affecting my camera lens protector either, which is nice. And there's also this matching colored burgundy plastic trim that protects around the camera lens module. And here's a look at what the black version looks like on the black iPhone, which you can see here looks really sharp, black on black. Here's a quick look at the front. And here's a closer look at the buttons for the black model, which you can see here. They're made of metal, just like the burgundy model, except the color matched with black. Now, like Apple's own leather case, these are very minimalistic cases. You can see from the sides here, they don't add a whole lot of extra bulk to the iPhone. So they're designed to be minimalistic and very slim. The next thing I'm going to share with you guys is removing these cases, of course. So usually what I do is pick up bottom corner, grab a microfiber cloth. use my thumb as leverage, use your fingers to kind of grasp the edge of the case, and just pull it upwards with your thumb, pushing down on the back, and it should just pop out like that. Same thing on the other side, and your phone easily comes off like so. Overall, I am very impressed with Mujjo's leather case for the new iPhone 15 series this year. They are a great alternative, if not a better choice, to Apple's now discontinued leather case and superior to the woven case Apple chose to replace the leather model with. But back to the Mujjo case, this is a great choice for anyone looking for a high quality leather case that's minimalistic and slim, just like Apple's former case. I know I keep referring back to Apple's discontinued leather case throughout this video, and that's because I want to show you guys an alternative to it that still offers the same level of quality and materials. As I mentioned earlier, I've been reviewing Mujjo's leather cases since the iPhone 5, which I can't believe was well over 10 years ago. And they just keep refining and refining their cases to the point where it honestly doesn't seem like it can't get any better than this. The quality of the leather is always top notch. The craftsmanship, of course, is also top notch. There's nothing on this case I can point out like loose threads or anything like that. Everything is well inspected and well put together. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, only a couple things I want to mention. As you guys saw earlier with my MagSafe charger, MagSafe still works, but because of this extra leather material here, it can impede the magnetic hold of the MagSafe part of the case. So that's just one thing to keep in mind if you use MagSafe stuff, is that it can work, but the magnetic hold may not be as strong as without this card slot. And the last thing I want to mention is, like with many wallet style cases, they won't substitute for a full wallet, so you're very limited on how much you can carry. In this case here, I believe Mujjo states you can put a maximum of 3 cards. So here's 1, goes in, then we have 2, goes in, and I'm really thinking, oh maybe, no. Yeah, I think 3 is a bit too much. These are like your typical thick plastic cards. So if you have like thinner cards, which sometimes gift cards are made of thinner materials, you might be able to get away with 3 cards. But 2 at most for your normal thick plastic cards. In conclusion, guys, if you're in the market for a high quality slim leather case for your brand new iPhone 15, 15 Pro, or 15 Pro Max, you definitely can't go wrong with Mujjo's full leather case. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about these cases, ask her in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.